Jamaica College and Edwin Allen with the largest haul of medals at Champs. We have highlights.
We bossy, me know if you hold me one, me no play about it.
Yeah man, go man, I color purple. We can't lose. JC might have the pints, but now we have the vibes.
To me, everybody is a winner, but still, me I bring Calabar and Edwin Allen. Go Calabar, me can play my hand.
Performed extremely well, you know, and they're leading, so it's highly unlikely Kingston College, which is in second, will be able to catch.
We have the best boys and girls champs in the world. In fact, the only one of its kind. It's really our pride and joy. And I'm happy that not even the rain can stop it, right?
Not all of these young people are going to go on to be the Shellyans or the Hansels or the Usains, but all of them are going to benefit from the experience that are here at Champs. They're all going to learn about discipline, they're all going to learn about teamwork, they're going to learn about defeat and how to overcome that, they're going to learn about victory and how to manage that.
Yes, I did.
Right now it look like a JC win champs. Them a lead from day 2. Back home, we sit down and we watch champs together and them say, Daddy, I like the atmosphere, but I want to enjoy it. So this is his first year at champs.
Great. I love it.
My moment was me winning a Champs medal for the first time. And I am proud of all my girls. Everyone did exceptionally well. We did it for Tantan and Mr. Douglas. RIP to you guys. This is all for you guys.
The fact that we would have suffered so many challenges leading up to this championship. You know, we lost one of our student athletes earlier in the year. We lost one of our former coach. And then the hurricane which devastated our school. So it was really a challenge leading up.
Jamaica College and Kingston College together down the home stretch on the opening leg. This is what Champs is all about. But Jamaica College will surge away with a Lauren Robinson. They are champions and they are champions and champs.
How does it feel to be champions?
Boy, I can't describe it. It's the most fulfilling feeling after all these years where we had a team that could have won it. We somehow didn't win it. Finally we got a team that had the chance and did it. I'm so proud of everyone involved, everyone who's been supporting, all the athletes, all the support coaches, physios, everyone who's been a part of this team, parents, everybody. I'm just so proud and so happy that we actually brought a trophy home this time.
I kind of envision this early season, but I know there's a lot of doubters out there because we're always seem like a very soft group, and I just have a little mental session with the boys every week and say, hey, listen, we're better than what people say. Let's block out the noise, go out there and show the world that Jamaica College track and field is as good as anybody else, and deliver the goods, and here we are. And before I go, I must big up my wife. My wife is my foundation. My wife, you're my MVP. I love you, baby. This is because of you too.